Hello, good morning friends and welcome to Gigi's Kitchen. Today I am going to make one of my most favorite snacks. In South India, it's called 𝐾𝐭. It's basically coconut filled steamed dumplings. It is super easy to make. It only takes about 20 minutes and it is so delicious. And I'm going to make coconut filled steamed whole wheat dumplings. Are you ready? Let's do it. So for that, I'm using King Arthur whole wheat flour. It's 100% whole grain and there is no other preservatives or anything. This is really good for 𝐾𝐭 or dumplings and chapati and all of that. So to make the coconut filled steamed whole wheat dumplings, what I have here is 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of shredded coconut, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So let's make the dough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the salt first and mix it. Then I'm going to add 3 cups of hot water, boiled water. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to mix this very well. Use a spoon or a spatula or something to mix it because this is steaming hot, very hot. So mix it very well. Oh, it smells so good already. So this is how the dough should look like after you mix it. And we're going to make the fillings. So 1.5 cup of coconut, shredded coconut, and half a cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. And I'm going to mix that very well too. It's super easy to make. Not a lot of ingredients either. And only take 15 minutes to cook. So the total time, I would say about 20 minutes. So let the dough cool a little bit because it's super hot now. So let's make our dumplings. So for that, you need some water on the side because you need to wet your hands because otherwise the dough will stick to your hand. So make sure you wet the hand each time you're making a dumpling. So take like a size of a small egg. Take that and put it in your hand and then pat it down. Pat it thinly. Pat it and pat it like that. And then add your fillings. Then close it. And then using your right hand, go like this to make a good ball of a dumpling. See, circle ball of a dumpling. So that's how you do it. Super easy. So wet your hand again. Take a dough, probably about the size of an egg, a chicken egg, and pat it on your hand. Super easy to do it. And add the filling and close it like this. Close it all sides, and then using your right hand, or if you are left-handed, using your left hand, just make the dumpling just like that. Look at that. Perfect. Okay? Again, wet your hands and pat the dough on your pan and add the filling. Add as much as you want. And also the sugar. If you want really, really sweet, so add more. Maybe almost a cup of sugar or something. I don't know. I don't like it too sweet, so that's why I only added a half a cup of sugar. So there you go. See? So easy. Again. And whatever the steamer that you are using, you should put that on the stove by now, because, you know, to boil the water before it's steaming. So see how easy that is? Again. Since you have water on your hand, it doesn't stick. The dough doesn't stick on your hand at all, or your fingers at all. See how easy that is? I love these dumplings. I make this at least once a week. I love it, especially with my 4 o'clock tea or coffee. Oh, it's delicious, delicious, delicious. It's a comfort food. I usually use cane sugar, so you could substitute that with any kind of sweetness that you want. It's I love cane sugar, so that's why I use it. So this is our last one, and it looks like it's going to be a big one. So whenever I do the last one, after I close it and then make the dumplings, and then what I do is I take the excess amount of coconut or sugar, what's left on that plate. I'll just take it. See, look at this. And I usually eat this. I don't give it to anybody else, because it is so good, because it's fillings inside and outside. Look. See that? That's it. And from here to the steamer. So the water is already boiling in the steamer. I usually grease this because otherwise it might stick. So now I'm going to place the dumplings to the steamer. Make sure they are not touching each other. With the 2 cups of whole wheat flour, I have 13 dumplings. So now I'm going to cover it and steam it for 15 minutes. So it's already 5 minutes. I'm going to wait another 10 minutes, and then also make sure you check the water level in your pot or your steamer, because 15 minutes you might need to add a little more water. So our dumplings are ready. So there it is, and it smells so good. So look at that. It's steaming hard. I'm going to wait a few more minutes before I eat it. See how soft this is. See how soft it is? Oh my God, you could squeeze it. Very, very soft. And let me open one. And here it is. Look at the filling. And I'm going to open another one. Here it is, so soft. So I'm going to try one. Bon appetit. Oh my God. It is so good. It is actually melting in my mouth. So soft. Enough sugar. Tastes so good. Really, really good. Love it. You should try it. Super easy. This is absolutely delicious. And perfect snack for your 4 o'clock coffee or tea. And even you could eat this as a breakfast too. Very good. Very, very good. My God. So good. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And also subscribe to 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐽 YouTube channel and visit my website 𝐬𝐿_GG.com. I will come to you soon with another video. See ya.